Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my corner. So today I'm just going to be talking about these gorgeous finger coils. So if you like to see that, then just keep on watching. One thing before we move forward. Oh, that's two things. Yeah, because I got two things to talk about. First, subscribe to my channel. And the second thing is hit that button that pops up when you hit subscribe. Alright, no, but I appreciate those of you guys who took the time out to even watch my content. A lot of hard work and effort goes into it. You know, and we talk curl love and curl peas. Ain't got no time for negativity. Brush them haters off, cause I got some. Brush them haters off, cause I got some. Cause you beautiful, and you know it. And you beautiful, so gonna show it, Yeah, I'm too hyped. Cause I thought I was finna have to chop all my hair off. Cause I was, my hair was getting all knotted and tangled during this process, but I'm gonna stop rambling and let you guys see the work for yourself. So without further ado, roll the clip. I'm going to be using the defining cream. Whatever. I'm gonna be using the defining cream and their defining gel to try these finger coils. I'm just gonna wet the section a little bit, get that moisture into my strand. Okay, we're gonna take a little bit of that defining cream and get it all into your hair. Like, take your time. Make sure that product is getting into your hair. And then I'm gonna take the defining gel. Take a little bit of that, put it on this whole section. Take a moment. I don't know if this is gonna hold these coils. I'm gonna take my dimming brush, make sure it's smooth from roots to end. These coils are not even, I don't know. I'm gonna leave these and I'm gonna clip it at the root. Alright, so this is what my hair is looking like. These coils on top, I went ahead and used the Extreme WETLINE gel. On this section right here, that's obviously, there's a big difference in how the coils look and feel. I use the defining gel and the defining cream from the Texture by Cantu line. Don't like it. So I'm going to go ahead, recoil these using the WETLINE, but I'm going to go and rinse this product out of this back section of my hair. And once that's all set, I'll come back. Can we make it like see the buzz I have that I have for you? I can't explain it for you, girl, because I've been around the world and I met a lot of other girls that are looking like you. No. Leave-in conditioner and oil on my hair before I went to sleep after I cleansed it. So I'm just reactivating that with some warm water. Taking my Extreme WETLINE gel, applying it at my roots like I would do my wash and go. And for these finger coils, I want it as smooth and moisturized as I get my wash and go. So I'm going to take my Denman brush, smooth them on out. This is what I've been doing, taking some more water, making sure it's slippery enough. And then I'm just taking pieces of the hair and coiling it around my fingers. I want it really, not tight, but like close to the roots. And go down. That simple. I'm gonna show you again. Take a piece of hair, and I'm doing them small because I got fine hair. Twirl it to the left, which is counterclockwise. Get them roots. And I kind of like pinch it, coil, twirl it around my finger, pinch it as I go down. And you can use one finger, two finger, all your fingers. It doesn't even really matter, honestly. I'm just spritzing it with some warm water, reactivating my leave-in conditioner. Rub that water in, create friction, apply heat by rubbing your hands together, of course. By rubbing your hands together, of course, creating friction creates heat, allows the products to absorb into your hair. As you can see, these are all nice and juicy and flowy and moisturized. So we're just gonna finish this section, and we're gonna take our gel and get it in there. From here, your curls should be so juicy and thoroughly coated that if we was using this for a wash ago, it would be banging. The way you mold your hair, style it when it's wet is how it's gonna dry. So I'll work with this. Look at that. I'm gonna take a section and we're twirling it counterclockwise. Let me go and put some chapstick. Hey, I just wanted to pop in and say that I started this hairstyle off on freshly washed hair using the entire Texture by Cantu line. I will leave everything in the description bar below. Catch my hang time though. The shrinkage is most definitely real. but we love it. Shrinkage means happy, healthy hair. Stiff wear. Look at all that movement even though I use gel. What I'm going to do is let my hair air dry and we'll be back. So my finger coils are completely dry. Everyone's like, oh, I like your dreads. And I'm like, "Ark." I ain't locking up just yet. But they have been very, very easy to maintain. But I'm going to try to unravel these without creating so much frizz. I feel like I'm about to knot my hair. I don't know. I done tangled my hair trying to unravel these finger coils. And absolutely not. Absolutely not, LaQuavia. This ain't working your favor. It didn't do whatever you thought it was gonna do. If you thought it was gonna do something, didn't do it. It's not all the way bad. Let me see if I can finesse it. Something like that. That side. Let's just go on and bobby pin it like that. That's what we're about to do. Alright, so this, I didn't know what to do with these coils. So I just did like a little mohawk thing, pinned the sides up, left some in my face, and this is what I am left with. This mohawk style. I mean, but look at the definition. That's it for this video, beautiful people. Finger coil out turned into mohawk coils. Don't really know, but thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend that I'll be back next week.